and thank you so much for visiting. Many psychologists have recognized that the reason behind fear of failure is resulting shame and embarrassment. Falling down is not failure, but refusing to get up for sure is. If you think about it deeply, that if you imagine a situation कि whatever you are preparing for, if you fail in it, the first thought that comes in your mind is कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, what are they going to think about me if I fail, which means that you have given the control of your life in other people's hand. How and why, I don't understand. You need to introspect yourself, that why do you care so much about this thing, that what are they going to think about you. We imagine this scenario कि if what happens if you not succeed, okay, what happens if you are not going to succeed. Imagine if you succeed, like जो भी चीज़ का preparation कर रहे हो आप उसमें pass हो गए, still even if they appreciate you enough, still you are not going to be satisfied, okay, from it. Then why have you given control of your life in somebody else's hand, where they have the full control, that you know they can make you feel good, they can make you feel like very very bad, ridiculous. Then why have you given your control in their hands? Are people so good right nowadays? No, right? I don't think so at all. Then why do you care so much what other people are going to think about you, when your idea of success is completely depending what is going to be others' opinion about your success? That what is like, what, in which illusion you are living? Then what is your definition of success? I want to know. Is this मतलब बस इतना सही है कि you want to clear this exam? Is this your definition of success? Even if you succeed, okay, in passing this exam, still like if you like आपका main motivation ये था कि they are going to appreciate me enough, still when you succeed it is not going to give you happiness, right? So you need to like introspect yourself, that why do you care so much. As soon as you are going to be away from their side, they are going to forget about you immediately. वो नहीं सोचेंगे, लोगों के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. Then why have you given your life का control in their hand? Your whole idea of success is depending on their opinion. What are they going to think about you? You need to ask yourself. Like and the problem is कि जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स से भी जाके इस बारे में बात करते हो, दैट मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू डू, उनका रिप्लाई ये होता है, किस बात का डर, क्यों डर रहे हो तुम, अरे तुम डर रहे हो. अगर तुम उनको भी खड़ा कर दोगे ना उस सिचुएशन में, तो उनके पता नहीं क्या ही हालत हो जाएगी, राइट? सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम कि when we try to talk with people, when we try to communicate with our parents about this, they are not able to understand our situation, but it is not their fault also, right? They don't have any idea about it. So you have to take control in your hands, right? Like you do not have to think कि ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. When you are completely focusing your energy on the negative side, that ये नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, then obviously your efforts will be inclined toward that side only. कितना भी पढ़ लो, कितना ही तुम मेहनत कर लो, but still it is going to give you negative result. And this is what happens, that people say कि I have studied for these many hours, I have studied for such a long time, but still I'm not able to succeed, but still I feel like I haven't studied. Why? Because जो main आपका motive था वही positive नहीं है. Then how are your efforts going to be in the right direction? You are walking and walking and walking, but no, you are walking on the wrong path. Like जो destination है जहाँ आपको पहुँचना है वही आपने सही set नहीं किया है. Then how are you going to reach it? Even if you walk, कितना ही जल्दी तुम भाग लो, right? And also if you look deeply into it, you will understand कि the fear, okay, the root cause of fear is desire. Now this doesn't mean कि like should I not desire about anything? No, I'm not saying that. We quickly jump to conclusions. I'm not saying that you should not desire anything, but you must have noticed that कि 99% of the people are not successful because they focus only on the desire, okay? Success doesn't come to you when you desire it. It is earned. Success is something that you have to earn. Like, so the remaining 1% people, they not only desire but also they work. You have to leave the attachment that you have with the outcomes. Instead you should start living in the moment. Everything will be okay. I know that it is a very big thing to say that you have to start living in the moment. It's very tough to do, but it's not impossible, right? This illusion of ours ki outcome, this is an illusion, वो अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, right? If you see according to the physics, that is going to be a huge illusion because that has not happened yet, right? You have to focus on reality. Reality is the जितना आप एफर्ट्स डालोगे उतना ही आपको एंड रिजल्ट मिलेगा. देन व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ बीइंग अटैच्ड, व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ स्पेक्यूलेटिंग दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द आउटकम. एंड देन नॉट ओनली स्पेक्यूलेटिंग भी अगर आप राइट डायरेक्शन में करोगे देन ऑब्वियसली यू आर गोइंग टू अट्रैक्ट इट. देयर इज लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन ऑल्सो इफ वी लुक एट द अदर साइड. बट उसमें भी वी आर थिंकिंग नेगेटिव. व्हाट इफ आई फेल, व्हाट इफ यू फेल, देन व्हाट? द वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो इज डेथ. यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाई, राइट? यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाई इफ यू फेल इन दैट थिंग. Unless, like, जब तक वो आपका डिसीजन ना हो, which is a very stupid decision, right? If the worst case scenario is death, then why are you scared of it? Because something which you survive, it is obviously going to make you stronger. There is no point of being attached with the outcome. This is the problem. There lies the problem. So the one thing that you have to do, there's only one solution to it, I will say, that is to fall in love with what you are doing. If you are preparing for a competitive exam, you have to fall in love with the subject. You have to fall in love with the studying. You have to fall in love with the curiosity that you have कि इसका आंसर क्या है. You do not have to study for the exam कि मुझे इसमें इतने मार्क्स लेके आने. No, it's good to have a goal, okay, fine, but you have to fall in love. Life is going to begin basically at the end of the comfort zone. जब तक आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन में फंसे रहोगे, लाइफ इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिगिन. अगर आप वहीं पे बैठ के सपने देख रहे हो, अरे मुझे तो ये बनना था, अरे मुझे ये करना है, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, यू आर जस्ट इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स इन योर लाइफ, राइट? इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन एनीथिंग. Also, one more thing is that whenever you have fear of failure, you need to have insane courage. Here I'm not just talking about studying about some job or something. If you are terrified of going and talking to that girl, talking to that one girl, you have to have 20 seconds of that insane courage when you just, without any second thought, you just go to that girl and you talk about whatever is there in your heart. People lose the chance. Why do they lose the opportunities just like that? Because they are scared. And like, if we talk about something else, suppose you are scared of sending that mail, you are scared what will be the response. No, you just go, you get those 20 seconds, or like, you know, you gain those 20 seconds of insane courage and you send that mail. Don't be scared that what will be the response. There are so many things. If you are scared to go to some place, just go over there and then you live your life. Like, the problem with the fear is कि it paralyzes you. Okay, it like आप बहुत ज़्यादा एक वो stagnation होता है ना, वो आ जाता है लाइफ में because of the fear. Because you will be like, okay fine, right now you are in your familiar zone, right? जब भी हम अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलने की बात करते हैं तभी ही तो fear आता है. अपने familiar zone में अपने घर पे बैठ के थोड़ी ना fear आएगा. So if you are scared of going out to that place, वो काम तो तुम्हें ज़रूर करना चाहिए. You should go for it. Also you have to understand, मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही just go over there, but you have to be prepared about it. Whenever you are prepared about something, you are not going to have a fear, right? So many people have fear of exam because they don't have the confidence that they have prepared enough. Another thing, third thing that I am going to talk about is कि one way to fight fear is to face it again and again. For example, if you're preparing for a competitive exam, people avoid giving tests because they are scared कि I'm going to get demotivated if I score less marks or something like that. है ना कि किसी को भी इतना ज़्यादा मत डराओ कि उसका उस चीज़ से डर ही खत्म हो जाए. Same thing you have to do. You have to end your fear of failure. For that, I want you to give regular tests about whatever you are preparing for. आपको उसके regular test देने हैं so that आपको पता चल पाए कि कहाँ आपकी mistakes हैं. We are so much scared of that result कि हम अपनी गलतियों से सीखना भी नहीं चाहते. हम बस वहीं पे रह जाते हैं. Like, you know, we are in this illusion that we are preparing. किसी भी तरीके से we justify it to our brain कि no, I'm working hard, I'm putting efforts, but at the end you will know, जब वो like result निकल के आएगा तब regret करने से better है कि अभी you go and you face your fear of failure. This is the only way how you can overcome it. There is no other way, right? So here I have talked about 3 things. First one is love is the only way to get over it. That is, fall in love with whatever you are doing, fall in love with the process, fall in love with the journey, not with the destination. Second one is perspective. You have to have a wider perspective about it. Third one that I talked about, like अभी जो मैंने बात की, वो है कि you have to again and again, you know, face your fear of failure. I want you to do one thing right now. अगर आपके पास आपकी नोटबुक है, अगर आपके पास अपनी डायरी है, तो you write in it, I'm ready to fail and that's why I succeed. I am ready to fail and that's why I succeed. This is what I want you to write and paste it on your wall. जहाँ पे भी आप अपना पढ़ाई करते हो वहाँ पे आप सामने टेबल पे चिपका लो. इससे क्या होगा कि जो आपने एक बहुत ही हवा बना रखा है about failing, it is going to give you a positive perspective that failing is not something bad. Most horrific event that comes in your life can be used for your well-being, for your growth, to evolve. You can always evolve. You have to say to yourself that I'm stubbornly persistent. Even if I fail again and again, I'm not going to give up. I will succeed. If you say like that to you, instead of again and again talking about failing, instead of again and again thinking that what will happen if I fail, what will happen if I do not crack this examination, what will happen? Even if you crack that examination and still अगर आप क्रैक भी कर लेते हो तो वहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद अगर आपको उस काम से प्यार ही नहीं हुआ है तो हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मेंटेन दैट, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मेंटेन दैट रैंक. इसीलिए ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग वो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम क्रैक कर जाते हैं लेकिन वो एक प्रमोशन भी मिल जाता है उनको, बट सिंस दे डू नॉट लव देयर वर्क, सिंस दे डू नॉट लव व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, वो उसके बाद में उसमें ड्रास्टिकली फेल हो जाते हैं, है ना. इतना ज़्यादा टाइम, इतना ज़्यादा एनर्जी जो उन्होंने दिया था वो सिर्फ इसलिए फेल हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे हैव नॉट फॉलन इन लव विद वॉट दे आर डूइंग. अब आप ये चीज़ ज़बरदस्ती नहीं कर सकते, ज़बरदस्ती यू कैंट ऑब्वियसली फॉल इन लव. दैट्स वाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू स्पेंड टाइम विद योर सेल्फ, राइट. बट राइट नाउ वट एवर यू आर डूइंग, you ask yourself, you introspect that do I really love what am I doing? If not, then this is your life and this is your choice, whatever you want to do. You have to say to yourself that I am stubbornly persistent. कोई किसी में कितना भी ज़्यादा टैलेंट है, अगर कोई बी पर्सन है उसमें आपसे ज़्यादा टैलेंट है तो आप ये बोल सकते हो कि हाँ ठीक है वो मेरे से पहले, वो मेरे से जल्दी वहाँ पे पहुँच जाएगा. बट सिंस आई एम persistent, I am also going to reach there, right? अगर आप कॉन्स्टेंटली, अगर आप अपने एफर्ट्स में परसिस्टेंट हो, अगर आपको पता है, अगर आप कॉन्स्टेंटली, आप कंसिस्टेंटली अगर आप मेहनत करे जा रहे हो, यू वेरी वेल नो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सक्सीड. आपको पता है बट स्टिल वी आर स्केर्ड ऑफ वर्किंग हार्ड, बट एंड देन वी आर अटैच्ड टू द आउटकम. कितना एकदम मैसी सिचुएशन है कि वी आर स्केर्ड ऑफ वर्किंग हार्ड एंड देन वी आर अटैच्ड टू द आउटकम्स. You have to stop our video. So the first way that I told you is you have to fall in love with what you are doing. Second one is you have to broaden your perspective. Third one is ki you have to face your fear again and again so that you can overcome it. Fourth one is you have to change your idea about failure. That is, I'm ready to fail and that's why I succeed. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please press the like button and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel so that you get notified about my upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with a new video. Till then, stay safe and take care.